Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have some exciting news to share with you. DJI has just released their latest drone, the DJI Mini3 Pro, and it's packed with impressive upgrades and features. Let's dive in and explore what makes this drone so special. The DJI Mini3 Pro takes drone technology to the next level. Despite its compact size, it boasts a larger sensor and an improved camera compared to its predecessor, the Mavic Air 2. With its foldable arms and lightweight design, it's incredibly portable, allowing you to capture stunning footage wherever you go. One of the standout features of the Mini3 Pro is its 1/1 3-inch CMOS sensor, offering exceptional low-light performance and detailed imagery. The camera is equipped with a new gimbal that can tilt up to 90 degrees, perfect for capturing unique angles and even shooting selfies and vertical videos. When it comes to video capabilities, the Mini3 Pro is no slouch. It can shoot impressive 4K video at 60 fps, ensuring smooth and high-quality footage. Additionally, it supports 1080p video at 120 fps, perfect for capturing slow-motion shots. With its 12MP photos and enhanced HDR mode, you can expect stunning visuals with reduced noise and improved dynamic range. Advanced features. The Mini3 Pro comes packed with advanced features that elevate your aerial photography and videography experience. It incorporates an obstacle avoidance system that utilizes sensors to help you navigate safely, avoiding potential collisions. This ensures peace of mind while flying and capturing shots in challenging environments. Another exciting feature is the new flight mode that allows the drone to intelligently follow you as you move. This is perfect for capturing dynamic footage during activities like hiking, biking, or simply exploring stunning landscapes. The Mini3 Pro becomes your personal aerial cinematographer, effortlessly tracking your every move. Overall, the DJI Mini3 Pro is a game-changer in the world of drones. Its compact size, powerful camera, and advanced features make it an ideal choice for photographers, videographers, and anyone seeking to capture breathtaking aerial footage. Whether you're a professional or a hobbyist, this drone is sure to exceed your expectations. We hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts on this new drone, please leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.